Welcome back to another video. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, browse around, watch a few videos, share a few videos. Let's talk. So, listen, we need to normalize apologizing to children. We need to normalize apologizing to children. Train up a child in the way he should go, so that when he is old, he will not depart from it. How many adults are there right now who feel like children are beneath them, so they don't owe children an apology? How many adults are there right now who feel like they don't need to listen to a child because a child is a child? So who am I to be apologizing to a child? Who am I? How many adults are there right now who think that way? Right? But we want kids to apologize to us. So what kind of example are we setting? So are we training these children to when they get to 18, then they stop apologizing, or apologies are only for adults? Normalize apologizing to children so that they know that no matter how old you are, if you are wrong, and it's okay to acknowledge that you are wrong, and it is okay to say, I am sorry. Normalize apologizing to children. They have some big folks who will do kids wrong. But then they will refuse to apologize to said children. But then they would want these children to suppress their feelings, and they will want these children to act like they didn't do anything to them, and just to walk around like everything is okay. And the thing about it is, if you think about it, we do this in our adult lives too. So this trauma and this foolishness, because that's what it, let's call a spade a spade. This foolishness starts early, because in our adult lives, people will do you things, and others will expect you to act as if nothing has happened. Others will expect you to sweep it under the rug and pretend like nothing ever happened. And they will expect you to walk around like it's business as usual, because the people who do you wrong are their friends, or the people who do you wrong are their family, or the people who do you wrong, they're cool with them. So if you say something about the wrong that was done to you, then you are a problem, because they'll never address the wrong that was done to you, so they don't want you to address it either. So we as adults, we don't even want to apologize for the things that we do, but we expect children to apologize. But then these children will see that adults are not apologizing. So when they grow up, they don't apologize either, or they don't want to apologize either. But when you do wrong, even if that wrong is to a child, apologize to that child. Normalize apologizing to children. Train these children the way they should be grown so that it doesn't leave them. And even if you weren't raised that way and now you're an adult and you know better, let's do better. Normalize apologizing to children. If you have done them wrong, don't sit and think a child is beneath you so you don't owe them an apology. Normalize apologizing to children. I sound like a broken record, but I am trying to ribbit it into somebody's head. Normalize apologizing to children. They are little human beings. They are the future. They are the next leaders of the world. They're the next rulers. Normalize apologizing to children. Normalize apologizing to children. If we want society to be better, we have to train these children to be better. And we have to be examples for them. Normalize apologizing to children. Set a good example for these children. I will see you in the next one.